On Friday, February 19th, I'm going to be doing a webinar with Kendra Lee on how to use sales video emails to increase your win rate. One of the things we're really not going to talk about is your background. I want you to remember that there's a couple of things that happen when you choose your background, whether it's a virtual one or, in my case, real life. It is to frame you in the video. It's to remove things that might distract someone from your message. You are the star of the video. Your personality, your message, your tone, your inflection, what you look like is all going to help you increase your win rates. So don't make it distracting. It shouldn't distract from your message. It should help me focus on your message. So register below, or click to register below, and join me as I join Kendra Lee on Coffee with Kendra, Friday, February the 19th at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you there.